Thank you, Brown Sugar Babe, for the crown that came in our PR package for Mother, because it's great for what I'm about to do today. I am about to be a little bit of a drama queen, okay? Let's talk. Let me give some shout outs to Brown Sugar Babe. Mother is supposed to be inspired by soy maliki. Y'all, the oil is amazing. Definitely check them out. If you want a discount, use CI Sisters 10 and you get 10% off your order. But anyway, let's get to why I'm really wearing a crown today. I have seen so many of my mutuals that agree with me. Y'all, I am tired of some of the fragrances that are being replicated. What brought me here today is that I just had to review a fragrance that honestly I've had here, but I just did not have the energy to review because I'm over it. With that being said, who am I? My opinion don't matter. I don't know about y'all, but I am going to give my opinion on what I am tired of being replicated. The first one I'm going to have to start off with is Bianco Latte. I know Bianco Latte is loved by so many, but I do not need another Bianco Latte derivative. I am so Bianco Latte'd out that I honestly didn't even feel like reviewing a fragrance that's actually a really good fragrance because I'm tired of smelling this DNA. Again, don't be mad at me, my opinion, and I am putting on the crown of the drama queen today. Another fragrance that I am tired, or even the note I am tired of smelling, is Pistachio, or the inspired by Young Pistachios. I cannot take another Young Pistachio inspired by fragrance. Now, I love pistachio and fragrances, but Young Pistachio is overdone so much that I honestly start staying away from any fragrance that got pistachio in it. Do not make me hate pistachio because you guys are overdoing Young Pistachio. Delina or Delina E. Stop. Stop, stop, stop. We have enough Delina inspired by and Delina E inspired by fragrances. Guys, you wearing me out. Like, that is so done, and it's in everything. Like, and it tricks you because you're like, okay, this can't be it. Some of the notes you could catch if you read all the notes. That's why it's important to read notes before you blind buy. But OMG, there has to be about 100 inspired by Delina or Delina E fragrances. Okay, I don't want to be negative Nancy because I'm a pretty positive person for the most part. I don't want to see another Baccarat 540 or 540 Extrait fragrance. Like, I mean, at this point, ain't it kind of played out? Like, I can't take another derivative of that one either. Again, y'all, this is my opinion. These are things that I run from when I see them because I feel like they have been over duplicated. So guys, what do you think is a fragrance that you feel like I am so over it, we don't need another version of it? Now, I got a little list that I think that they're kind of going to get there too. Burberry Goddess, they're making a lot of those. Dolce & Gabbana Devotion, they're making a lot of those. They are starting to duplicate Hufflepuff quite a bit too. I like lemon anyway, so I do like these, but I'm seeing quite few of those. Sparkling Lychee or Lychee, that is starting to be duplicated quite a bit. What do you guys think that you're starting to notice that it's a lot of derivatives? Altair by Parfums Molly. That's another one that is starting to be replicated quite a bit. What do you think? Am I honestly really just being a drama queen, or do you agree with me? This is a longer video. Speed it up if you need to, but definitely leave some comments so I can know what you think. Am I just a drama queen, or are you tired too? Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.